Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be vlogging a day at Infamous Design. Almost every day this month we've done an Infamous job. So as you can tell, we've been hustling and putting in work and trying to grow. A couple years ago I built this exact diffuser. This one, almost 2.5 years ago now. It took a long time to get to the point where we are now, and honestly, there's a long ways to go, guys. As I mentioned in the previous video, my carbon fiber fabric has been ordered, so Infamous Design is about to step it up to the whole next level. I have huge goals for Infamous Design over the next little bit. You guys have seen what we can do with plastic. Just wait until you see what we can do with the carbon. This is not the diffuser that we're going to be building for Arsh's R33 today, but it is going to be used as a brief template. We're not going to be using these rods. We're going to be using better bolts, of course. And then obviously the valences are going to be a lot different. First diffuser I ever built, so don't base my work on this. Alright, so we got our rough measurements. I've done this enough times to know the basic shape and kind of how to cut it, so I'm just going to do that right now. Hey guys, so it's 1:30. We've been working on this for about an hour. We've got both our side pieces here. So all that we need to do is add the center section and then mark where the ends are going to be, and then create some side valences based off of those shapes. I kind of have a brief idea of what I want to do on the side here, but I guess we'll figure it out once we get there. Arsh has also asked us to replace his end caps for his wing. So we've got these made up. Base piece all riveted together. So we got our brackets hidden on the underside. Top piece laid out here. We're going to be test fitting this here and then marking our angles for the valences. Doing a little bit more heat work with the plastic and then building an actual connector piece. So should be finishing up in the next couple hours here.
Oh my god, dude.
It's so sick.
Yes, dude, that was dope.
Yeah, you can't really tell on camera, but it's gonna look fucking sick when we're done, man. I'm so stoked to start doing carbon stuff. So yeah, I've been working on this diffuser like all day. Pretty much ready to bolt it up now. Me and Charles just picked up some brackets, so this is the bracketing system we're gonna be using. And then, yeah, these valences are pretty fucking cool, man. I'll show you how these mount. This is gonna go like that, and then this piece comes up along the side of the car. It's gonna look so crazy on this thing.
What? How many tires you got on the zero? Is that good? Tires on these cars? 5 months later.
Oh yeah, Chase is here. We are doing a shoot of the S15 tonight, so prepare for a sick video done by Chase. His car's looking sick. Look at that fitment. Damn. What are you guys up to?
Putting this downpipe gasket.
Yeah, downpipe gasket. Yo, say what's good, man.
Yo, man.
Jordan's here. Sock check.
Oh, dude, I don't even.
What is that, loading icon?
Yeah. Computer socks.
Everyone's been asking for the sock checks. There you go. Nice tidy whiteys, Devin.
Joe box up.
Alright guys, let me know what you think about that. Thank you Arsh for the support. Hugely appreciated, man. And yeah, stay tuned for Infamous Design. Carbon fiber stuff's coming soon. Should have my fabric in pretty soon, so start building some cool shit.
Sick. Still rocking Devin's old wheel on this thing, fortunately.
Update, we are currently at Barlow.
Sickest place in Calgary, yo.
Is it the sickest place? Yeah, it's pretty dope.
Yes, and there's Coco right there. There's people doing burnouts over there. Got a T-Rex right there too.
Yeah, what the fuck?
And this guy's literally fucking revving in front of the cop.
It's got this fucking crazy, like... What do you have to say
About Barlow?
about, in general, I guess?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Some fireworks going on. Yeah.
Yo!
Dude, there's kids drinking like
Yeah, probably.
with a daycare.
No! What the fuck? So we ended up getting caught by this fucking train. So in the meantime, I think we're gonna do some burnouts, but we'll see. There's this guy I've been chilling here this whole time, and he hasn't said a word.